Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share, and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes Ford Fusion 2014 Hybrid. This is a small battery in the corner, but if you want to do the service for the hybrid battery, this car is hybrid. You need to come here, open this cover. You put the seat back, open this cover here, and pull this back, pull it up, and you take it out. Now the hybrid battery is disabled. After you disable it, then if you have any service, you can do it. Now when you finish, be sure to put it back good. Okay, push it in. In is not enough, you have to push it back. It's good here. Please don't put your hand inside there, and it's very dangerous. Or give it to a professional technician. This car, we have a problem. It doesn't want to start. In order for you to work on this car, try to make at least the battery must be 10% or 15%. Thank you.